Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Today, what subject we going to see, children?
Conversation.
Okay, before starting the class, let us do some exercise and then we will start the
Conversation.
Ma'am, I cannot see children.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all do flower clap. Children, do flower clap. All clap your hands, children. All do flower clap. How to do flower clap? All do silence clap. Supreet. Okay, children. Sit straight. Clasp your fingers.
Sit on your lap.
Close your eyes. Now slowly breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, children, open your eyes. Sit straight. Okay, so let's see the meaning of conversation. Okay, do anyone know what is conversation, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
What, Varsha?
Ma'am, we'll talk to one. Now I talk to my mother, ma'am. That is what the conversation.
Very good. So when we talk with others, when we communicate with others is known as conversation. Okay, children. Now all unmute your videos. So when I'm explaining, y'all unmute your video. When I'm asking the question, you'll mute and y'all can answer me. Okay.
Conversation. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now let's see what is the meaning of conversation. Okay, so Varsha told the meaning of conversation is talking with someone, communicating with someone, isn't it? Now I will explain the meaning of conversation. Okay, expression and exchange of individual through talking with others. Okay, so what is expression? Expression means now y'all got good marks in your exams. Okay, so I'm saying y'all, we are giving y'all the report card and y'all going and showing with your parents. Okay, so y'all will go and show that report card happily or sadly, children?
Happily.
Why are she happily? You're going and saying with your mother, okay, so I got good marks in everything, I got out in everything. That topic you all will say to your parents happily or sadly?
Happily.
Why all say happily, children? Because you all got good marks in all the subject. Okay, so if you're failed in all the subject, if you're getting less marks in all the subject, I'm saying y'all tomorrow you have to bring your parents, means that topic y'all will go and say happily or sadly?
Sadly. Sadly.
Sadly, because you got fail mark, that is less mark in all the subjects, you all will go and say the topic sadly with your parents. Okay, so that is expression, showing expression. Okay, happy things means we will go and share happily. sad things means we will go and say sadly. So that is expression and exchange of ideas. Okay. So if you have any topic means if you talk to yourself is conversation, children.
No, ma'am.
If you go and talk with others, if you have one thing now in your home, they brought you some gift means tomorrow you all will come and say to yourself, no, no.
No, ma'am.
No, you will come and say that. To if your parents is buying giving something, okay, so tomorrow you will come to school and you will share to whom? To your friends, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You
ma'am.
will share to your friends, and
Friends.
even they will say, you know, yes, even my mother, my father brought me such gift, and you will talk about that things, no children. So that is conversation. Okay, so talking, communicating with others and sharing our feelings and listening to what others are saying is conversation. Okay, children, did you all understand the meaning of conversation?
Yes,
Do you have all children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
You all have conversation textbooks with you all?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So now here in this chapter, in our conversation, today we're going to see a chapter called At the Fruit Stall. Okay, what is our chapter today?
At the fruit stall.
Okay, so here we have three characters. Okay, so in this chapter, we have three characters. So what is going on between the three characters? We are going to see in today's chapter. Okay, children. So who are the three characters means Jack, Jill, and shopkeeper. Who are the three characters? Jack,
Jack,
Jill, and shopkeeper. Okay, shopkeeper means in the fruit stall, in the fruit market, the person who sells the fruit is shopkeeper. Okay, children. So we will see what is going on between the three characters. Okay, children. Can you all see the textbook?
Yes, ma'am.
If you can see also, no problem. In group, I will post this picture and y'all can see that and y'all can learn. Now I'll just explain y'all what is going on between these three characters. Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what is the chapter name? At the
Fruit stall.
You'll repeat after me. The chapter name is At
At the fruit stall. At fruit stall.
So at the fruit market, what is the
Fruit
thing
stall.
going on? We're going to see in this chapter. Who are the three
Yes, ma'am.
characters?
Jack, shopkeeper.
Okay, so Jack and Jill are friends. Okay, who are Jack and Jill?
Friends.
Jack and Jill are friends. Okay, so everyone should concentrate here. In between, I will ask you all the question. Okay, children?
Ma'am, I'll drink water and come.
No, Varsha, after this. Only few minutes. Okay, so after that, you can go and drink.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you will have to listen in between. If you're not answering, you have to listen and you have to answer. Okay, first the character who speaks is Jack. Okay, who's speaking now?
Jack.
So Jack is saying with Jill.
Jack.
No, Jack is saying with Jill. Let's go. If I'm not visible, it's okay. Now you have to look at the book. You have to see the book. Okay, Jack is saying with Jill, let's go to the fruit market. Okay, so where Jack is calling Jill?
To the fruit market. To the fruit market.
Krutya, sit properly and listen here, Krutya. Let's go to the fruit market.
Fruit market.
So Jill is asking why. So Jill is asking what?
Why?
Okay, so
Why?
Jill is asking why. Jack, I want to buy some fruits to my mother. So what Jack is saying? I want
I want to buy some fruits for my mother.
some fruits for my mother. Okay. So for that only Jack and Jill is going to the market. Jill, okay, let's go. What is saying?
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
Okay, he's
Okay,
saying,
let's go.
okay, let's go. So Jack and Jill going to the market. Okay. Jack, I want some apples. So what Jack is buying to his mother?
Apples.
I want some apples.
Apples.
Some very good ones. Okay, so when we go to shop, we will buy fresh fruit only, no children.
Yes, ma'am.
Even Jack is asking with the shopkeeper, I want some apples, some very good ones. Okay, shopkeeper, here you have. So he's saying, here you have the fruit. That is, in fact means yes, we have. I don't sell any bad ones, you know. So he asked to give the fresh fruit. No, so shopkeeper is saying, I have only the fresh fruits. I don't sell any bad fruits. Okay, children, did you understand till here?
Yes, ma'am.
So now Jack, how much do they cost? How much do they cost means now he's buying apple, no, so he's asking with the shopkeeper, how much does the fruit cost? Okay, cost means rupees, how much money he's asking with the shopkeeper. Okay, children.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Shopkeeper,
Yes, ma'am.
these are the best ones. Best means these are the nice fruits. Okay, good fruits. Simla is one kind of apple. Okay, we have green apples and all.
Yes, ma'am.
Simla apples, 5 rupees each. Okay, how much is that Simla apple, children?
5 rupees.
Only Varsha and Tanma is in the class. Everyone should answer. These are the best ones. Simla apples, 5 rupees each. Prapti, how much is in the fruit, ma? How much is that apple?
5 rupees, ma'am.
Good. Jill, too much. So he said 5 rupees. No, so that Jill is saying too much. The money is too much. Okay. That's very expensive indeed. Expensive means more money. Okay, children. So the shopkeeper told apple is 5 rupees. No. So that they're saying 5 rupees is more money. Expensive means more money. Did you all understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Jack is
Yes, ma'am.
to the shopkeeper. Will you give me for 4 rupees? Okay. So how much is the apple the
4
shopkeeper
rupees. 4 rupees.
The shopkeeper how much he told?
5 rupees. 5
rupees. Okay. So Jack is asking for how much?
4 rupees.
Very good.
4 rupees.
Okay. Shopkeeper, I'm sorry, I can't. Okay, we say no, we cannot. We cannot become can't. Okay, can you all see here?
Yes, ma'am.
So he asked for 4 rupees. No, so he's saying, no, I'm sorry, I can't. I can't give for 4 rupees.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Jack, haven't you got any cheaper ones? Cheaper means less, okay. So he told 5 rupees. No, for less money, you give me the apple, he's saying. Did you all understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, shopkeeper. Why not? What the shopkeeper is asking?
Why not?
Why not? These cost only 3 rupees each. Okay. So how much is saying?
3 rupees. 3
It cost only 3 rupees
each.
Jack, give me some of those. What is saying?
Give me some of those.
Give me some of those.
Those.
Have you any oranges? What again is asking?
Have you any oranges?
Shopkeeper. Is. They are. What is saying? Is.
Yes,
They are. Here. They are. 1
Yes,
rupees
they
each.
are.
Okay. How much is that orange?
1 rupee.
1 rupee each. Okay. Jack. I see. Let me have some. What he says? I see.
Yeah, I see. Let me have some.
Have some. A dozen
me
will
have
do. A dozen means one
A
set of
dozen.
apples. Okay.
One set of apples.
Orange.
Oranges.
Shopkeeper. Like you have any pomegranates? Again, what the shopkeeper is asking. Even we have
have pomegranate.
even in our shop we have pomegranates.
Pomegranate.
Like to have any pomegranates. Okay, children. So Jack is saying, let me see. What Jack is saying? Let me
see.
Shopkeeper. Look at these. They are the
Look
best
at
in
these.
the market. What is saying?
They are
Look
the
at
best in the
they are the best
market.
in the market.
Market.
5 rupees each. Okay. So how much is that
5
pomegranate?
5
Just
rupees.
Jack. Any bargain? What Jack is saying? Any bargain to make that money less. He told 5 rupees. No. So he's asking any bargain. Make me less. Okay. Shopkeeper. No. As I told you, they are the best. What the shopkeeper told?
As I told you, they are the best.
No. As I told you, they are the best. You can't get any better ones in the old town. Okay. So that pomegranate is very good. He told, no, I can't reduce the money because this is the best in the market. He's saying to the Jack. Okay, children. Next, Jack. Give me just 4 very good ones. Okay. So how much he's saying? How much he's asking to give him?
Just 4.
Give me just
4.
Okay. Shopkeeper. Take them, please. Okay. What the shopkeeper is saying? Take them, please. Jack, do you have any bananas? Again, what
Do you
would they
have any bananas?
Do you have any bananas?
Any bananas?
Very good ones. Again, he's asking, very good bananas we want. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Shopkeeper, no. It's all right. How much shall I have to pay? Okay, so finally they both had buyed the fruits. Okay, so they are asking, it's all right. How much shall I pay to you? So after getting the fruits, we have to give money, isn't it, children?
Yes, ma'am.
So they are buying the fruit. So they are asking how much it cost. Okay. Shopkeeper, totally 47 rupees in all. How much it costs, children, all the fruits?
47 rupees.
In all. Okay. And
45
finally,
rupees, ma'am.
47 rupees. 47 rupees in all.
rupees.
Thank you. So finally, they completed their conversation. Okay, children?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay, this picture I will post in the group. Okay, so you have to see the book, you have to learn, and you have to send me the video. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
You have to see and learn. Without seeing, no. With seeing only, you have to pronounce the words properly and you have to send me the video. That is today's homework.
With seeing, ma'am.
With seeing only, okay? With seeing, you can learn and take the video and send to me. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am. Full class over now, ma'am.
No, wait.
Ma'am, I don't have textbook.
I will post this picture in group. Don't worry if you don't have textbook. I will
Ma'am, I'll
post
drink
this
water
picture.
and come.
Wait only few minutes. You have any doubts, any spellings add in this chapter, children?
No, ma'am.
Very easy, no?
No,
So if
ma'am.
you have
Yes,
any
ma'am.
difficulties, ask help from your parents and you'll learn properly and send me the video. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so once again I will learn. You'll just listen. You don't repeat or do anything. Just listen, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
At the fruit stall. Jack, Jill, let's go to the fruit market. Jill, why? Jack, I want to buy some fruits for my mother. Jill, okay, let's go. Jack, I want some apples, some very good ones. Shopkeeper, here you have. In fact, I don't sell any bad ones, you know. Jack, how much do they cost? Shopkeeper, they are the best ones. Simla apples, 5 rupees each. Jill, too much? That's very expense indeed. Jack is to the shopkeeper. Will you give me 4 for 4 rupees? Shopkeeper, I'm sorry, I can't. Jack, haven't you got any cheaper ones? Shopkeeper, why not? These cost only 3 rupees each. Jack, give me some of those. Have you any oranges? Shopkeeper, yes, here they are. 1 rupees each. Jack, I see. Let me ask some. A dozen will do. Shopkeeper, like to have any pomegranates? Jack, let me see. Shopkeeper, look at these. They are the best one in the market. Just 5 rupees each. Jack, any bargains? Shopkeeper, no. As I told you, they are the best one. You can't get any better ones in the old town. Jack, give me some more. Sorry, give me just 4. Very good ones. Shopkeeper, take them please. Jack, do you have any bananas? Very good ones. Shopkeeper, no. Jack, it's all right. How much shall I have to pay? Shopkeeper, 47 in all. Thank you. Did you all understand, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way, you have to look at the,
Ma'am.
did you understood, children? So same way, you have to saying no. With seeing, you have to see the book down that
Same
and
Ma'am,
you get
I don't have book.
not. I will send you the picture, okay? So you have to see that picture and you have to learn and you have to send me the video.
Ma'am.
Okay, children?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Ah,
Ma'am.
yeah.
Ma'am. We can tell video with meaning or without meaning.
With seeing, you have to learn. What is in that tape? I will send you the picture, no? So what is in that picture? Same thing. Now I learned to know. Same way you have to see and you have to learn.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
What, Amisha?
Ma'am, how to say ma'am?
How to say?
Ma'am, he's asking we must keep the mobile and say no. Ma'am, you said we
Ah,
must see and say
yesterday
like that. He
computer
said.
homeworks you have sent no in the video.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
same
ma'am.
way that without seeing you all told, but conversation with seeing you have to learn and send me the
Ma'am,
video.
I'll write in a
Okay,
book
ma'am.
and I'll keep and I'll say.
Yes. So what I'm sending in the picture, you take that in any books, and with seeing that you all can send learn and send me the video.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone
Okay,
understood,
ma'am.
children?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Anyone have
Bye,
any
ma'am.
doubts in the homework?
No, ma'am.
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, children.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye,
Okay, okay. Bye, bye.
ma'am.